it's me, Jessie, here with my mom, and today we're going to show you how to make a cute Which Dog Are You quiz on Scratch. Let's go!
We start by creating the images for the background.
Make lots of backgrounds. We have one for the start screen, a questions background, and backgrounds for each of the dogs you might get. Now, let's create the sprites. Here is a cute dog start button that we created for the start screen. We made a star which you can click to select an option. Finally, we made a sprite for all the questions. Let's start coding! The code is in the description below, but right now you can just follow along.
Let's start with the code for the backdrop. Flag is clicked, switch the backdrop to the home screen.
Then, when the dog sprite is clicked, we need to broadcast the message, start the quiz. When the question sprite we created receives start the quiz, we show the questions.
We also created several variables.
A variable for keeping track of the questions and the option selected, which is either A, B, C, or D.
When we start the quiz, we clear all the variables. So A, B, C, D will be 0 and the first question will be question number 1. We simply copy this logic to the star sprites A, B, C and D. So far so good?
Yep, let's keep going.
Let's test it out. Looks good.
When A, B, C, or D is selected, we have to keep count of it and move on to the next question. Follow along to learn how to do that.
Looks good so far. Should we test it out?
Sure. Wow, it works!
Yes. So now let's add some effects for the star button.
When you hover your mouse pointer over the star, you change it to the glowing star costume.
Let's test it out again.
Okay. Wow, I like the effect.
Most of the code is done. Now the final part.
The last part of the code, we need to decide the dog breed you are. We create a block called Decide a Dog Breed. If option A is selected the most, you are a Greyhound. If B is selected the most, you are a Border Collie, and so on. If there is a tie, you are a mixed breed.
We show this dog breed on the screen and we're done.
I can't wait to play this quiz. Friends, try out this code at home. It is in the description. If you learned something new today, please like and subscribe. Goodbye!